Good morning, good afternoon, and maybe good evening, everybody. I hope everyone's safe and well today. And thank you for joining our third live Saturday on our workshop today. And we've got another amazing guest speaker who I'm going to introduce you to. And we all know her as the queen of the group. She's become royalty in our group. And we all follow her and respect her for that. So, Shraddha, thank you for investing your own personal time into putting this presentation together.
Thank you, Paul, for the amazing introduction. And I love you guys so much. Every Saturday, I just enjoy having the company of you guys, talking about energy and everything else also about the world. I am Shraddha Nair. I'm from India. And my interests lie in energy economics, energy management, and energy policies, specifically towards economics and policies. Using ice or snow as such as of now across globe. So we are still formulating and testing out theories. And if any one of you ever decide to pursue this as your field of research and get to a point of breakthrough, you will renewable energy in the past 10 years. So we can see that, I'm just gonna point it out here. All right. So we can see that PV and CSP. CSP is concentrated solar power. So anybody who doesn't know what's a concentrated solar power, it's like a huge solar farm or even maybe a smaller solar farm where there are mirrors, specialized design mirrors, which it's in the form of a curve and functioning air condition. But this method is more effective because of the ice charging and ice cooling system of just normal water we use or tap water we use. So yes, this is the ice. And radiation is something you cannot just see, Like when we say people working in the nuclear power plants are at some level affected by the radiation, that is radiation, right? So yes, these are the three theories we have, and let's address them.
Me direct if you want to talk to me, ask me any questions, and take care and be safe over the next 7 days.
Okay. Thank you so much, Paul.